Post-construction termite treatment budgeting and renewal planning keeps homeowners from being surprised by repair bills and ensures ongoing protection. Start by defining a clear coverage period and expected renewal cadence so you can predict annual costs and schedule inspections. Obtain a multi-year service contract with fixed renewal rates to lock in pricing and reduce exposure to inflation and market changes. When negotiating, insist that the contract itemizes what is included and what triggers an additional charge. Schedule annual inspections and mapping updates to detect any new entry points or changes in landscaping that affect risk, and to document treatment history for future buyers or claims. Allocate a contingency fund equal to 1 to 2 years of treatment costs to cover unforeseen retreats or local repairs without disrupting your household budget. Evaluate cost versus risk every year by reviewing inspection findings, changes in local termite activity, and repairs required. If activity increases, consider increasing treatment frequency or switching to a more robust option. Keep all invoices, maps, and correspondence in one folder and use them to compare provider performance and to support warranty or insurance discussions. Homeowners often skip regular inspections because they think initial treatment is permanent, so make inspections mandatory in your plan and tie them to payment schedules to avoid lapses. Another common issue is choosing the lowest initial bid without accounting for renewal rate escalation, so demand multi-year pricing scenarios and compare total cost of ownership over 5 to 10 years. A third problem is underfunding the contingency reserve, which leaves owners scrambling when unexpected damage appears. Set aside a small monthly amount into a dedicated fund and adjust it after each annual review. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like termite management. Our site helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where members share real experiences, ask questions, and compare real costs and approaches.